Andrew Thurman next at halftime. 37-21 Irvine. With me now is Andrew Thurman, one of the all-time great UCI Anteater pitchers and recent draftee of the Houston Astros. And Andrew, thank you so much for joining us today. And I want to hear what's going on, man. How are workouts going, and how was this last year for you?
Everything's going good. Just like you said, working out here at UCI, getting ready for spring training coming up. Very excited and ready for the year.
When you look back at your time with the Anteater program, what are some of your takeaways, some of your favorite memories from your time spent at UCI?
This was one of the best times I've ever had. Playing ball here, going to school here. It was a time of my life, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. Look at this right here. This is fun. It's like this at baseball games too, and I had a blast.
Celebrating the championship of the men's volleyball team at halftime right now, so some of the fans excited. And Andrew, looking forward, what are some goals for the year for you and what you want to accomplish with the Astros for this upcoming season?
Just continue to, improve. That's what baseball is, just kind of adapting and getting better every day. And, just looking to help out in any way I can.
Some of the older folks watching this, you and I both went to high school together. You got the locks going right now. Where'd that come from, man?
I'm working on it. It's something new. Houston might make me cut it, though, pretty soon.
Well, at least you have until spring training. All right, Andrew, final thoughts. You got a prediction for the rest of this game?
I'm going to take UC Irvine. They're playing well right now.
The way that first half went, I think that is a safe play.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Looking forward to seeing you on the diamond in spring training and representing the Astros well. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
All right, we will be back. Big West basketball from the Bryant Center in Irvine next on ESPN. Second half coming.